Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today I am going to show you okay, I'm not making any sense, but look. So Utah has crazy weather, right? Well, all of a sudden, just randomly out of nowhere, it just started pouring hail and rain. So you can see the streets. It's all wet. And if you don't believe me, then watch. A car will pass by with its windshield wipers on. Sorry. Just wait. As you can see, that white truck right there is a mail truck. So, look. The heck? Oh, well, you can see the rain. See? There she is. And there she goes. Okay, so I heard the hail from there, from that vent, because you can hear the hail just clinging against it. And my dog right here, her name is Sugar. Her nickname's Jug Jug. But look, she is terrified of the hail because she doesn't like the noise, because she obviously doesn't know what it is. So we heard it from there. Okay, now look at this. I'm gonna show you out my window like I did in my room, but a little bit more clear, kind of. So you can see the raindrops, see? And like I said, this just happened. I'm gonna open the window. It even smells like rain. Look at this, guys. Look at this. It's just pouring rain. Look at. See, Shuggy? That's what it was. It's just rain. And over there, I don't know if you guys can see it. Probably not. But look, if you zoom in, you should be able to see little pieces of hail over there. But I don't know if you guys can see that. But yeah, it just all of a sudden happened. And I'm confused. Why doesn't the world do this? Or why does just Utah do it? Well, maybe not just, but look. Maybe windshield wipers. See that? Drop it. Now, I'm gonna close this. Now, I'm going to, okay, to be honest, I don't even know what I'm gonna do now. Well, I'm gonna show you the backyard real quick. Can you see that? That right there is just pouring, legit pouring. There's a raindrop. There's a puddle there, not a raindrop. Well, our tomato plants, and yes, we do have some tomato plants, but those, I guess, are getting some water. And now, yeah. So I'm gonna close this. Okay, now I'm gonna zoom out. Okay. Now I will go to my room. Okay, now are you still scared, Juggy? I don't know if she's still scared or not. But yeah, so one more quick thing before I go. So I absolutely love this pillow, okay? Right? It looks soft. It is soft, but so it's soft and see this? Look at this. It has a hole in it and you can just get to the cotton. Why? Well, look, my freaking dog chewed it up. And look at all the cotton on the floor. If you're wondering what that was, it's cotton. And I'm just like, what the freaking bruh? Like, legit, look. She destroyed my freaking pillow. Sugar? Sugar. Hey. Chuggy. Sugar. Hey. Chug, chug. Oh! You are the devil. You know that, right? You are the freaking devil. Oh, she just... I'm gonna write her. Oh! I'm just kidding. So, yeah, I guess that's it for today. This is also my first video. And please leave a like and subscribe. And if this video can get to... Well, since I'm new to YouTube and this is my first video and I'm a kid and all that stuff, if we can get to 3 likes, no, yeah, 3 likes, then I will make another video, but it will be all about my dog, and yeah. So see you in the next video, guys. Wait, one more thing before I go. Now, if you subscribe, I will choose a special subscriber or okay, listen. I don't know. I'm trying to say okay, now if you comment down below, sorry if you can't comment, but I'm gonna try to make it so you can. So comment down below, and if I choose you, you will get a shout out, and I will choose a special subscriber, and they will be shout outed too. But the subscriber is a special shout out, not just an ordinary shout out. It's a special shout out, a very special shout out. A comment, like where you just comment down below, now that's just an ordinary shout out. Okay, now I guess see you in the next video. Bye!